All right, many of you are wondering about the recalls. I'm sure you're hearing about them with the F-150 Lightning. Well, I'm going to show you exactly the recalls that I'm about to have taken care of. So I'll do another little video the day that we're doing that, but that's going to be here in a few days. But I wanted to tell you about them. So there are actually 5. I thought there were 4, but there were 5. So this first one is a heated steering wheel performance upgrade. Essentially, the steering wheel has the heating elements in there, but they left the module out on the control thing here in order to deliver the vehicle, so they wanted to just add the module back in. Installed new dash mat. So I never even knew what a dash mat was. Most people still may not know, but it's up here actually. So what's happening is people are putting drinks up here, and water and liquid are actually getting down behind here, and this is not catching that. So there's a new dash mat that's supposed to catch water better for people that put drinks up there. There's so many cup holders. I have no idea why you would put a drink up there, but that's the case. The next one is charge cord stuck, reprogram battery charge control module. In English, what this is, there's 2. Let me just tell you this: high voltage battery module replacement and or battery energy module software update. Okay. So these 2 kind of go together. They are a battery charge control module, and these both are just something that they check, and they will replace the modules if they're bad, or they will update the software. But if I'm not having a problem with the charge control module or anything like that, or the charge cord getting stuck during charging, or like it's not the actual cord getting stuck, it's it being stuck and not allowing it to charge and things like that. If I'm not having issues, then I don't have to have anything done with that, but they're checking that. Then the last one here we're going to go outside for, it's the rear light bar replacement. Let me go show you that. So if you look at this, kind of come in here, this right here is okay, but if you look, there's like moisture right here in the light. This is new for me. I think it just recently came up because it hasn't come up earlier, because I have this tonneau cover on the top that is like protected a lot of the water, but this is more recent, and it's just moisture that gets in the tail light that can cause it to go out. And I haven't had any issues with it going out, but I do now have moisture in there, so that is going to be replaced. That's all the recalls, but which seem pretty simple. I do appreciate, thank you Ford for working on the quality, for trying to increase things, make things better. I watched a video with the Ford CEO, and he's talking about that. And so I want to encourage you guys that maybe give Ford a little bit of hard time. Hey, if Kia can turn around the crappy cars that they used to make and be at the top of the list on Consumer Reports, you wait and see. If Ford really focuses, they can do the same thing. So this is all that that's wrong with it supposedly now. So I'll let you know if there's any more recalls, and I'll give you another update when I do get my recalls fixed.